Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR Magic7 Lite and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. Of course, give all the permissions if you're opening it for the very first time. And now we are in the standard photo mode, so we have to open the settings in the right upper corner. And now let's find the timer option. Let's tap on it. Here you've got 4 different options, so 10, 5 and 2 seconds delay. Of course, also the off option. So just tap on the option you like to use. And now go back to the camera and tap on the shutter button. From now on your device will count down from 10, 3 or 5 depending on which option you've chosen. And after that time it will simply take a photo. Alright, you can turn it off in the same way, so enter the settings, tap on the timer and tap on off, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.